Hello everyone, welcome to Apti Plus Academy for Civil Services, and I welcome you all to a new learning series via News in Focus. And today's topic of discussion is solar photovoltaic waste management. This is a topic which will help you in the prelims examination, considering the fact that the environment portion is something that has a dominance always in the prelims examination. So without any further ado, let's get started. So India is the world third largest producer of renewable energy, which is 40% of its installed electricity capacity is coming from the non-fossil resources. If you see a data which is here, the complete part of the non-fossil resources, among them the highest goes to solar, right, which is again followed by large hydro powers, then wind energy, small hydro, biopower and nuclear, right? And India stand fourth in the position of solar photovoltaic, which is deployment across the globe. You can see the data here, which is like for the first we have United States, followed by China, then Russia, Netherlands and India. So India has already overtaken Netherlands, and other country that follows is United Kingdom, Japan, France, Italy and Canada. Now, the solar power installed capacity has reached 62 gigawatt as on 30th November 2022. This is the latest data that we have from the government website. Now, something more important that you must know is about the renewable energy and the part of the capacity that is there. Like if you see for United States, they rank on 7th, Brazil 6.5, India 6.3, Hungary 5.5, Argentina, South Korea, Poland, Spain, Denmark, and Germany. So these are the countries as per their ranking. Now, most of the energy that India generates, this is a fact that most of it comes out of coal. But apart from coal, the second important segment that is there for the energy generation is contributed by solar energy, which is again followed by hydropower, then wind energy, and natural gas is another, right? Nuclear contribute just 2% out of it. So this is a composition which is again relevant for you. Now in this, the total solar which is there, like we have a target of 175. Among them 60 is coming out of wind, 60 from solar photovoltaic, 40 from rooftop solar, 10 from biomass and 5 from small hydropower. Why we are discussing this? Because you can use this data even in the mains examination, right? Now, moving ahead with the photovoltaic waste, there was a report which was published by the International Renewable Energy Agency, and it says that 78 million tons of waste will be generated by 2050, and India will be among top 5 waste creators, right? And according to International Renewable Energy Agency, the cumulative waste of India total installed solar capacity could be as high as 325 kiloton by 2030. Now, the waste which is generated by a photovoltaic module are the component which is classified as a hazardous waste in India. There can be a direct question in the prelims examination from this. Now, if you see this graph, China is among the top country when it comes to waste, followed by United States, then Japan, India, followed by Germany. Another important detail about the solar photovoltaic technology that is used in India. So in India, basically PV installations are dominated by crystalline silicon technology, which is known as CSI technology. This is a factual information that will be relevant for prelims examination. And a typical PV panel is made up of CISI module, which is like 93%, and the cadmium thin film consists of 7%. I'm not getting deep down on the part of the composition, how it is made. Some basic information will suffice the need for examination. Now, moving ahead, what next for India? See, the concern has been raised. So, India should formulate and implement the provision which is specific to photovoltaic treatment within the ambit of e-waste guidelines. So, this is something that should be prioritized from the government of India. And this is not only India's concern, at the global level also this need to be addressed. Apart from this, India's solar photovoltaic panel manufacturing is limited, so there is need to have more attention in domestic research and development efforts that will call for more clean energy and the part of less wastage and substantially using it. The Pan India sensitization drive and awareness program on the photovoltaic waste management will be beneficial. So, this applies not only to India but at the global stage also. So, this was all about for this topic. If you like this video, if you find this video informative, do not forget to subscribe Apti Plus Academy for Civil Services on YouTube. Do give us a thumb up for this particular video. If you want to watch many other videos, we have a playlist where you can check out the complete video. I thank you for watching this.